In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Gmail with Slack so you can receive email notifications directly inside your Slack workspace. This setup is perfect for teams and individuals who want to stay on top of important emails without constantly switching between Gmail and Slack. By the end of this video, you'll have Gmail fully connected to Slack and working the way you want. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. Once you're inside Slack, look at the left sidebar and go to the channel or space where you usually manage apps and integrations. From here, click on the More option in the left sidebar. This is where Slack keeps additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default. Next, from the menu that opens, click on Tools. This will open a panel where Slack lists automation options, workflows, and app-related features. Tools is essentially your gateway to extending what Slack can do, including connecting it with external services like Gmail. Once you're in Tools, go ahead and click on Apps. This will take you to the Apps section, where you can browse, manage, and install integrations for your Slack workspace. Slack has a huge marketplace of apps, and Gmail is one of the most commonly used ones. After clicking on Apps, look for the option that says Open in Slack Marketplace and click on it. This will open the Slack app directory in a new window or tab, giving you access to all available integrations. Now that you're in the Slack marketplace, go to the search bar and type in Gmail. As you type, Slack will start showing matching apps related to Gmail and email integrations. From the search results, click on Slack for Gmail. This is the official Gmail integration designed to work seamlessly with Slack, so it's the recommended option for most users. On the Slack for Gmail app page, click on Add to Slack. Slack may ask you to confirm your workspace and permissions before moving forward. This step is important because the app needs permission to send email notifications and messages into Slack. Next, you'll be redirected to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, click on Install and follow the setup process for the app. During setup, you'll be asked to sign into your Google account and grant the necessary permissions so Gmail can connect with Slack. Review the permissions carefully, then approve them to complete the installation. Once setup is complete, Gmail will be successfully integrated with Slack. You can now configure notifications, choose which emails get sent to Slack, and decide which channels or direct messages receive them. This makes it much easier to respond to important emails quickly without leaving Slack. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Gmail with Slack. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.